What's going on, guys? I wanted to share some footage from one of our most recent crawler comps that we were part of. A couple years ago, I decided I wanted to organize and establish a mini crawler point series over a season. And just because I really like that style of format for a competition, fast forward to November 2025, and I put on the first event of this private invite only series. It's a 6-event series with some really big time sponsors that I got on board and donated some really amazing items, as well as there will be a cash prize for the series podium, as well as each individual comp's podiums. I really hope you guys enjoy the content from our first competition in this series, which was hosted by Brandon Visser, aka vengrc. Check it out.
Who's up? Is this yours, Kyle?
Yeah.
I cannot get the cup in the corner. Can you winch in harder? Still gonna pull me in, isn't it?
Do you want to? You have that
I already
reverse
have a
just from
reverse, so hold on. Well, I want to keep that winch tight.
You're not making the noise.
It's Smitty built, so.
Oh, it's a Smitty build.
I think I already had it with this one here.
Oh,
He's dead,
right.
so go for it.
That's a tough spot, too.
Let me know the reverse shot here there too, for once I get through here.
Once you're here, you restart.
Oh my god! Save it! Save it!
Shoot.
At least you're trying. Power through. No, I think, what's that guy's name? The backup.
I don't know.
I don't know who they got.
Whatever his name is. He played the first 3 games for the
Here we go down. I think I'm gonna run that way.
Pop it up and then you can maybe passenger a little bit. Fine. So what we did with mine too. We got up and then
Coming down here.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, just make sure you know. Oh. The Oregon dude.
yeah, my starts with an N.
I mean, the little bungee springs. Right. They're handy, but they can also hurt you.
So other way, yeah.
No. that sucks.
No, you're good now. You still got your reverse. When it starts to go that way, go the opposite way. Nope, go forward now. Don't keep pushing it when it starts to lift like that. Go forward. Yep. Okay, go the other way. Turn your tires the other way. There you go. See how it's set it down? Then you can whip it back around. Alright, swing it back around. Nope, driver. There you go. Go up to the, keep going. Go up this side. Back up one more time. Easy, slow.
Not really good at slowing.
Alright, back up. Straight. Okay, yep, just like that. Now, hold on. Back, turn passenger. And back up one more time. Keep going. There you go. Now go driver. You want to get your driver tire on this, is what I'm trying to get at. Good driver. Good job. Now, here, it's all you. You can do a lane there. Back up. You're left in the front end. Oh, not all the way.
We've all done it every
Now
time.
go back to this.
One.
You can try that. You got longer wheelbase.
Why did we do some beats?
We run class 1.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I can imagine on this.
There's plenty of good class 1 lines for this, but you don't turn this way.
Woo! That was nice.
Scoring for Josh is boring. Never get to mark anything.
The zero that I did, yeah.
I'm a sport club. That's all I get to do.
Nice. You might be able to work it. That was sick. See, and then that's where I go. I just took the winch.
You want to winch it, or are you gonna try and stop it?
Might as well just. What'd you score for?
20-something.
Yeah, that's.
29.
Yeah, I got 20.
That was actually really nice. Ladies and gents, here we go. And we watch it over.
Got two.
Yeah.
Front tire, back tire. You want to winch it?
Yeah, just push me over this way here.
Rushed. Yeah.
Is that what's in there right now? 3
Once you get up on top.
Yes.
Just slightly. No, not all the way. Because if it's straight, it wants to push the fan. Gotta go straight down the line for a second. Okay, straight down through it. And then turn back. Oh yeah, you got that. That's lots of wind.
Doesn't make sense, yeah.
Well, that's going to do it for today's video, guys. This is going to be a really long series, and I think it's going to be really fun and competitive. And honestly, I genuinely think it's going to come down to the last event and maybe even a few points to determine the podium. There might be some people that get bumped up, people bumped down. We'll see. I just think it's going to be really competitive, and I think you guys should stay tuned to check it out and see how this series unfolds. To make sure that you guys don't miss out on any of the content from this series, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. Like this video, share with your friends, and I don't think you're going to be disappointed in the next videos. All right, guys. Well, that's going to do it for today. I will catch you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.